Hi, my name's Michael Johnson. I'm a Gypsy Traveller from Poole, Dorset. Today I'm going to do some cooking. Today I'm going to use chicken breast, diced chicken breast, also 2 tomatoes, some mushrooms, 1 big onion, oxo cube, bit of garlic, salt and pepper as we know, and I'm going to use a bit of this easy curry for 2. I'm going to cook the chicken in that first. Cook the chicken, put this in with the chicken and cook it in with the chicken, so we get this flavour, the taste of the chicken rather than just swallowing the chicken. And then we got the rice. I like to do it in bags because it's easy to pull out of the saucepan rather than trying to get boiled rice out. It's a bit difficult because you can scald your hand, and if you're going to learn, easy learning how to cook, you use bags, please. And we use some plain naan bread, a chicken korma sauce, what we add in at the end, and feed a couple more people. And there you go. The first thing I'm going to do today is cook the chicken on a low heat with some sunflower oil, salt and pepper. Well, after we cooking the chicken for about 5 minutes, we add some garlic a couple of minutes after we cook the chicken. And then 5 minutes after we add the mushrooms, onion and tomatoes. Put those in for 5 minutes. Keep stirring as you go. The next step, after about 10 minutes of cooking the chicken, tomatoes, garlic and onions, etc., we can add a paste, korma paste. Cook that in with the chicken, marinate it in. So we want to taste the chicken rather than just swallowing it, and this taste gets the taste going. Next step is add the korma sauce 10-15 minutes on a low heat. We now add the rice 10-15 minutes in a hot pan of boiling water for 15 minutes. Okay, the next step is naan bread. You can buy these anywhere. These are now, these 50p. You can put them in a microwave oven, just read the packet and go with the packet on that. So there you go, Michael Johnson's chicken korma. Enjoy making your curries at home. Please do share on the Friendly Food Club on Facebook, please. Thank you.